inhale the
Yeah.
energy you want, tas
Yeah.
exhale yung ayaw mo. Tas
Yeah.
parang attention, intention, and breath.
Yes. Na ano din, parang ang idea ko diyan is that yung parang glass pa din, kung
Okay.
punong-puno yan ng ano, it's at the end of the day, the world is still muddy. Even
Yeah.
if you fill your cup with so much clean water, madudumihan pa din yan. So, ang gagawin mo
Kailangan mo
lang
kine-cleanse
is
lagi.
to refill it with good water until mawala yung mud palagi, parang gano'n.
Nice. Gandang
Yun,
analogy na yun. Kasama natin
yes.
sa podcast.
Ito yung third book kasi nun, So,
Okay,
ang
oo.
ano nun, about love yun.
Okay.
Ah!
Sana all may inspirasyon.
Oh my gosh!
So,
Pero
this was
anyway,
2022,
2021 ba o
1 or
2?
22?
I'm not sure. Basta
Okay.
mga gano'n, matagal na din.
So,
Ah,
parang nag-publish ka ba para sa isang tao lang?
hindi, it's for me.
Ah,
Life doesn't always go as planned. Pero what if the wrong turns lead us exactly where we need to be, to somewhere even better? I'm Gia Santos, an electronics engineer turned startup founder, and trust me, I know what it's like to feel lost, question everything, and figure things out along the way. That's why I started Off the Record, a podcast where we have chill kwentuhan about life's plot twists, finding our ikigai, and starting new chapters. In each episode, we hear the raw, unfiltered stories of guests who went through unexpected shifts from career to love and everything in between. Pati na rin yung books that helped them along the way. Because sometimes, even if hindi ka mahilig magbasa, all it takes is one book or even just one page, one sentence to change your life. For those at a crossroads, still figuring things out, or just looking for real talk, this is for you. Because the best stories always come with a plot twist. So let's talk about that off the record.
all right, welcome back to another episode of Off the Record. And today we have a very special guest. This guy is the lead copywriter of House Creatives and has authored 6 books. But the thing that I want you guys to know is the catch. He's only 23 years old and a civil engineering student sa Mapua. Tama, di ba? Tama
Yes.
yung memory ko. Yes.
Nice.
So let's all welcome Mix Genzon.
Let's
Woo!
go.
Yay! Thank you.
Hello. Yes.
Salamat sa pagpapaunlak ng aming imbitasyon.
Grabe. Yes.
Grabe lang.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. So,
Always a place for sharing value, kumbaga. Yes.
yes. Grabe long time, no? Parang
Yes.
last time we did something like this, nung
Mm.
adulting tambayan days. Pan, alam mo yun?
Yes. Ano pa yon? Online pa
Online
yon.
pa
Oo,
yun, parang
yes. Oo
kasagsagan
nga.
ng pandemic.
Yeah.
Tapos nung time na yun, I think hindi pa ganun
Yes.
pinapush.
Meron na ba akong libro
Meron
nun?
na, meron na.
Parang isa, dalawa lang, yeah.
Oo. So, ngayon, Mix, we will usually start the episode by asking you, if you were to introduce yourself to someone meeting you for the first time, anong sabihin mo?
Ako, I would say I'm a ano, hirap, Hello, I'm Mix Ganzon. I'm an abundant trailblazer, sasabihin ko na gano'n.
I love that.
Yeah.
Abundant
Ah,
trailblazer.
one thing I learned in the past few years, in the past few months, no, that abundance is really ano, everywhere, no? And I really believe na all people have talents. It's just that we just need to let them know that their talents is abundant.
Ganda
'No,
nun.
na parang kasi minsan people think na di ko kasi alam kung saan ako magaling, eh. So, they're limiting their talent already. What if they think na, okay, kaya ko pala, parang gano'n, and dun natin malalabas. So, yun ang gusto ko i-share with other people and yun ang gusto kong nara-radiate from
Oo.
me, kumbaga, ayun.
Nice. For you, Migs, ano, so sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang dami kasing talents ni Migs. So, ano siya, writer siya, pero musician din siya, content creator, and so many other things. Actually, nag-work din ikaw, Migs, sa Bookstime for a
Yes,
while, long
yes.
time ago as a community manager. So, ang dami. So, I guess my question sa'yo, Migs, is, with all of your talents, ano yung pinakauna na na-discover mo?
Ang pinakauna kong talent talaga is magic.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ang
Yeah.
pinakaunang talent ko yun na parang back when I was parang 8 years old, naregaluhan ako ng magic box.
Okay.
So, creative kid talaga ako nung bata. So, ang problem dun sa magic box na yun, galing yun sa tito ko from abroad.
Hmm.
Yung instructions ay in German.
Okay.
So, parang magic box, paano ko gagawin yung effect ng ano, ng walang instructions na German? So, ang meron lang ako na resources ay yung pictures nung illustrations dun, papaano yung hands or ganyan, and ano yung props mismo. So, from that point on, I was already creating magic tricks na from parts lang na gano'n. So,
Okey.
simula nun, I think grade
Anong sample nun nung mga magic tricks na
ano
nandun
bang
sa
sample dun?
box?
Kasi may mga props like mga boxes na maliit,
Okey,
may mga baso na maliliit, tas may mga bola, mga ganyan.
okey.
May cards
Talagang
doon.
kumpleto.
Kumpleto siya, magic box. Ang ano nga lang, hindi ko alam kung paano gawin.
Gets.
So, ikaw mag-iisip, okey ganito pala ang daya niya. So, 'pag ginawa 'to, dapat ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, it was interesting because parang dun pa lang na ano ko, nata-train ako to understand other people's psychology, gets?
Paano?
Kasi in order for me to vanish a pen, I need to know kung paano mo nakikita yung pen. Kasi
Ah,
kung paano ko siya nakikita, may daya yun. So, I
oo,
need to know how mo makikita siya, parang gano'n.
gets.
So, that's an example and,
Galing nun.
ang interesting dun na part is that nagtuloy-tuloy yun up until mag-high school and na-bring ko yun na parang nagba-branch out na, So, not just other people's psychology na nalaman ko na gusto ko rin pala nagpe-perform, ganyan. Kaya lumipat tayo ng
Okey.
music, lumipat tayo
Oh,
ng theater, ganyan. Parang
okey.
ang bridge nun yung theater, kasi sa theater ako nakakapag-magic. Tapos sa theater ako na-introduce sa music sa school kasi ano yun, musical theater kasi kami nun,
Mm,
So, music ganyan, tas gitara, yun dire-diretso na siya. Tas yung writing naman parang di ko alam, I would say magaling naman talaga ako sa writing nung high school pa lang.
mhm.
So, parang di ko lang talaga napapansin na, puwede pala 'to, gano'n. May mga gano'ng ano, stuff tayo na magaling talaga tayo, di lang natin napapansin na
Oo,
magaling tayo.
kasi parang sa'tin normal lang siya, pero hindi
Yes,
natin alam
normal
na
lang.
di pala siya normal
Yes.
sa ibang
Yes,
tao.
yes.
Yeah,
Na-realize ko lang yon one time na meron kaming journalism na subject. Pinagsulat kami ng isang parang feature pang newspaper article. Tapos ano, it's ano lang naman ang fineature ko dun yung pinapanood kong YouTube video 'no. May pinapanood akong YouTube video before na about pickpocketing kasi magic pa din yun,
oo nga,
sleight of hand pa
oo,
din yun,
sleight of
So,
hand.
pickpocketing medyo weird yung pickpocketing.
Yeah, weird application
Oo,
pero
nag-i-snatcher pala.
yun pala yung motivate mo
Ayun
talaga.
pala yung ano ko. Pero ayun nanonood kasi ako nun ta's parang na-amaze ako dun sa psychology about pickpocketing ta's yun yung
Mm,
ginawa kong feature.
okey,
So, ewan ko parang for some reason natuwa yung teacher namin dun, tapos dun na nag-start na parang na-realize ko ano, inano niya ako, kinompliment niya ako, Nakalimutan ko na yung compliment pero naalala ko pa rin yung feeling from that compliment. So, basta alam ko lang parang ang idea is ano daw, ang galing daw nung feature na yun, ganyan, ganyan. So, parang dun ako na-boost, sabi ko, magaling pala ako dito, ganyan. Ta's ibig sabihin meron palang hindi magaling sa gano'n.
yeah,
And it's
yeah,
one of my opportunities na na parang, okey ako meron nito, parang gano'n. And it's my responsibility to parang multiply it, amplify it, parang ganyan. So yun, dun nagsimula yung writing and then after niyan mga ano na, nag-start na tayo mag-read ng books ta's dun talaga siya
okey. Ano yung
nagtuloy-tuloy.
first book na
Ah,
nabasa mo, naalala
yu
mo ba?
yung first eto puro stories 'no, ang
Okey,
interesting part nung sa books na 'yan, nasa Subic kami.
okey,
Tapos merong isang parang surplus doon, mga surplus na mga second hand stuff. Ta's may isang parang cabinet na ganyan, may mga
okey.
lumang books, as in parang ano na ano
Napaka-random
siya,
lang.
random lang, may cookbook, may academic books. Tapos nakita ko sa gilid Stephen King, kulay gray siya makapal.
Okey.
So, hardbound, walang book cover na papel,
Yung ano lang
Stephen King lang. Familiar ang Stephen King parang ano, siya yung alam na natin yung mga horror movies na alam natin, Stephen
mhm.
King. So, kinuha ko, ₱99 lang, binili ko na. Ta's nagandahan ako, sabi ko, "Maganda pala 'to 'pag nagbabasa ka sa labas, 'di ba, nakakatalino."
Nakakatalino 'pag nagbabasa sa
Sabi ko,
labas.
"Karirin ko nga 'to." So, binasa ko yung
Okey,
book na yun ta's na-amaze talaga ako kasi ano siya, anthology book siya na Everything's Eventual yung book, ayun ang title.
okey.
Anthology siya, compilation of, short stories na mga horror stories. And na-amaze ako sa sobrang ganda ng storytelling na sabi ko, "Parang gusto ko rin magsulat ng ganito." Ta's nag-connect, marunong naman ako magsulat, eh, di magsulat ako, 'di ba? So,
Okey.
nagsulat ako ng stories, iyon yung naging San Angeles Park
This
na book.
was high school?
This was right before pandemic.
Right before
Mga
pandemic.
2020 siguro 'yan,
Okay,
mga
so
gano'n.
college
Yes, mga yeah,
or
mga pa-college na,
oo,
oo, yeah.
dun nagsimula yung first ano mo,
Yung book ko, yeah, yung
first mo ba
reading.
yung ano, San Angeles?
Yung first book ko na nasulat yung San Angeles Spark.
Okay,
Yeah, from ano yun, Everything's Eventual. So,
okay.
kung babasahin niyo yun, ang dami ngang parallels dun sa book na yun, eh. Ay even yung characters ano, eh, hindi naman sa ginaya, inspired.
Inspired. Lahat naman ng mga ano, ideas
Yes.
inspired,
Yes,
eh, oo.
inspired. Pero ayun, sobrang inspired talaga ako dun sa book na yun. Pero yung San Angeles Spark hindi siya agad na publish.
Okay.
Kasi ang nangyari sa San Angeles Spark is that ano siya, shinelf ko siya, tinabi ko siya. Kasi ako yung type of writer na laging may revisions.
Gets.
So, lalo 'pag
Oo,
creative writer ka, you really think na there's gonna be more to the story. Pero at the end of the day, the story itself is the story done.
okay.
So, you don't really need to tell more of the story because the story itself is the story done. Yun ang lagi kong sinasabi. So ilang stories ba yun? 11 short stories yon. Siguro mga 2 stories dun, 2 buwan kong i-e-edit paulit-ulit.
Hanggang
Che-check mo yung characters, ganyan, nagme-make sense ba yung story. Pero at the end of the day, yung initial draft okey naman na.
oo,
May mga gano'n ako, eh. So, almost 1 year ko atang na na bakante ang ano, San Angeles Spark. Kaya nauna yung 2 poetry books ko.
okay. I have a question, Mix. Kasi
Hmm.
so nung nangyari backtrack tayo 'no, nung nangyari lahat ng 'to, college ka na. So,
Yes.
civil engineering student ka na.
Yes, online.
Online.
Yes.
So, nauna mo bang ma-discover yung love mo for reading and writing a book before deciding on your
Ah.
college course?
Actually, ang engineering is born out of practicality.
Okay.
Pagdating kasi nung high school, 'di ba, when we graduate high school, we are pressured to think about our lives moving forward.
Oo.
So, mag-iisip tayo ng course na
May pera,
may
ganyan.
pera, ganyan, and ang gusto ko talagang course before ay psychology talaga. Kasi
Okay.
sobrang bata pa
Parang
lang ako, sobrang
ang
interested
weird,
talaga.
parang karamihan ng naging guest so far, merong lahat nagsabi gusto talaga nila sama ng psychology.
'Di ba?
Oo.
Parang gano'n. I think yun talaga ang circle natin, psychology.
Siguro, oo.
Pero yun talagang interest ko, eh, parang studying
Kasi
other
kasi
people,
nung
ganyan.
ano pa lang, eh, sa Magic pa lang litaw na dun
Yes,
yung interest
magic
mo
pa
'no?
lang, ilang taon pa lang ako nun.
Okey.
Pero yeah, yun, psychology talaga ang gusto ko. Pero the problem was, hindi ko alam kung ano yung trabaho ng psychology after college.
Gets.
So, parang psychology ang course mo, ano yung trabaho nun, 'di ba?
Mm,
Studying human behavior, may trabaho bang gano'n? Gano'n ako ka-limited yung mind ko pa nung
nung
high
time na
school kasi
oo,
bata pa ako nun din, eh. So, mahilig din ako sa Lego nung bata. So,
okey.
the next best step is Lego engineering. 'Di
Tama
ba?
naman, tama
'Di
naman.
ba,
Lego
Lego.
Lego kids.
Oo, engineering, magaling magbuo ng building 'yan, building. O 'di magbuo ka nga ng building, mag-civil engineering ka. So, kaya
Okey.
nag-civil engineering na ako after nung ano, and pinalad naman ako na makapasok sa mga good schools.
Yeah,
Kaya parang it was the best decision at that time.
okey,
So, yun, I believe ano naman, hindi naman ako nire-regret.
okey.
I mean, I would say nahihirapan ako ngayon.
Parang lahat
Pero
naman tayong
yes,
nag-engineering nahirapan.
yes. Nahirapan naman ako ngayon, pero I would
Oo.
say hindi naman nag-regret kasi at the end of the day, I still made the best decision nung time na yun.
Yeah, you made the best decision with what you had at that moment. And I feel like yung learnings mo na naman sa engineering, going through that challenge is, I guess, helped shape who
Yeah,
you are right now.
lalo na anong structure,
Yeah, yung
ganyan,
structures.
systems, yeah.
So, habang nag-e-engineering classes ka, you were writing a book, tama ba?
Yes,
Question, curious ako, eh, kasi how did you kasi I'm iba yung pagiging writer and iba yung actually writing a book. Yung
yes,
process kasi ang daming involved na moving
yes.
parts. How did you equip yourself with the knowledge na, okay, ito yung dapat gawin to write a book, ito
Yeah.
yung steps, how to reach to the people na kailangan, editors, 'di ba, mga gano'n. How did
Ah,
you go through that process?
sa ano na, yung parang creating the book itself na?
Yeah, yeah. So
Mag-i-start.
nauna ba mag-write ka lang muna talaga ng
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
sige,
It would
oo.
start by writing talaga.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, pero I would say ako, nadalian ako kasi talent ko talaga yon.
Mm.
And I know hindi lahat may talent
Yeah, yun
mag-write.
din
It's
na-realize ko,
gonna be
oo.
dragging for other people. Some people may not do it for 5 years then continue it afterwards. Pero, at the end of the day, you just write the material kasi wala kang ma-e-edit, wala kang
Oo,
mapa-publish kung wala
kailangan
ka
mo
talaga
talaga ng
sinulat.
kumbaga raw material, kailangan mo ng
Yes,
something to work with, eh. And I feel like
yes.
dun talaga papasok yung raw talent na na parang for me lang din, writer din nagsimula din ako sa writing, yun yung pinakauna kong talent na-discover. I didn't realize that it was a skill.
'di
Parang
ba?
may nagsusulat ako sa online page ko before,
Parang
normal
normal lang,
lang siya, parang
natural lang,
natural
ganyan.
lang ta's people would tell me, "I like your writing." Parang, "Ha?"
'Di ba?
Nagsusulat ba ako? Parang for
'Di
me
ba?
nagsasabi lang ako, eh.
Parang nagbe-brain dump ka
Nagbe-brain
lang
dump lang
talaga, gano'n.
ako. So yung sa'yo gano'n yung nangyari, like
Yes,
normal lang na nag-natural nag-create ka ng stories from your
yes,
writing,
yes.
and then how did you get into the actual process na of
Hmm.
publishing?
Meron akong isang kakilala before na nagulat ako nag-publish siya ng book. So,
Okey.
parang ano naman, low-key lang din siya sa school before. Tapos nagulat ako, nag-publish siya ng book, grabe meron pa siyang printed na book. So, na-amaze talaga ako. Tapos sabi ko, "Paano mo nagawa yun?" Ta's dun niya ni-refer yung TBC.
Okey.
So, doon na meron palang services na puwede kang magpa-print and ipi-print yung book mo just like this, mga ganyan,
Oo.
mga ganyan. So, ipi-print. Tapos sabi ko, ang gusto ko lang naman talaga is yung written stuff ko on laptop maging libro talaga. Ta's
Mm.
para kasing iba ang fulfillment nung nahahawakan mo na yung
Oo,
book na yun
yung
and may
physical
name mo,
copy.
ganyan. So, ayun na yun. Sabi ko pa-print ako ganyan, chinat ko lang. Si Jaric pa talaga yung ano, yung
Oo.
pinakauna kong naka-chat talaga nun. Dun nag-start yung relationship din namin. And nagpa-print lang ako, ilang copies lang ba yun, mga 15
So
copies
before
lang
the
una.
ano yun, parang nagpa-edit ka, may editing process ba siya, ganyan?
It's possible
Manus
for other writers
okey.
if ikaw natatamad ka mag-check ng grammar mo
Oo,
ganyan o
so ikaw
kaya
nag-self-edit ka na lang
ako
ng
ako kasi nag-self-edit
oo.
na. Again, tulad nung sa Angel Spark, 1 year ko ine-edit
Oo,
talaga
kasi
yon.
sobrang ano ka
Oo,
dun, eh, tutok
sobrang ano
ka.
talaga,
Oo,
pati grammar ganyan. So,
okey.
ako na din nag-edit, pati
Cover,
yung cover, yung poetry book, yun yung cover, ako din naggawa ng covers na yun. So,
multi-ano talaga 'no.
yes, o kasi 'pag nandun ka na sa flow nung
Yeah, yes,
ideas,
gets.
hindi lang writing, eh, tulad nun poetry pa yun kaya talagang arts, sparkles yung utak ko nung time na yun. Sabi
Oo,
ko, "Parang maganda yung gan'tong book cover, gusto ko ganitong idea," ganyan. So, ako talaga naggawa-gawa nun lahat.
okey,
Yung printing lang talaga yung I needed support, kumbaga.
okey.
Kaya nung na-print na, even the marketing kasi self-publish yun technically.
Mm,
So, anyway, ang context nun self-publish versus traditional is that self-publish ikaw gagawa lahat.
yeah.
Traditional papasa mo lang manuscript mo
Oh,
ta's
tas
sila
sila na
gagawa
bahala,
lahat, oo.
oo. Sulat basically 'pag nag-traditionally publish ka, nagsulat ka lang,
Yes,
okey.
nagsulat ka lang,
Sila
yun,
ng
may idea ka
magpo-polish.
lang. Actually, kahit hindi mo nga sinulat, eh, kahit idea mo lang ta's may nag-ghostwrite, ganyan.
Yun yung
Ayun lang,
medyo yun yung parang for me
medyo off ka dun.
hindi naman off, parang depende sa purpose. Kasi
Yes,
nung nagwo-work kasi ako nung bata ako, naging ghostwriter ako. Parang I think that was nasa high school ako nun, eh.
mm,
Ghostwriting yung isa sa mga jobs na kasi sa freelance writing ang daming ano niyan, eh,
yes,
ang
madami nga yan.
daming specialization. So, may ghostwriting, may article writing, SEO, yun yung
Yes.
mga na-try ko iba-ibang keywords.
Familiar, yes.
Familiar, may
Yeah,
article spinning pang tinatawag
yes.
before. So, anyway, I think yung sa ghostwriting medyo ikaw ba, ano bang thoughts mo sa 'pag magpo-publish ng libro yung isang tao ta's naka-ghostwrite yung libro niya?
Um, Kasi ang question diyan is that, who would you value more, the author or the writer,
Oo,
'di ba? Pero kasi at the end of the day, ah, it's a hard thin line, eh.
okey, it's a
Pero
thin line.
kasi at the end of the day, the idea is more important. Kasi if you
Okey,
don't have an idea, wala ka isusulat. So, I would say the author is more important than the
a
writer.
writer.
So, I have nothing against ghostwriters kasi at the end of the day, they make authors' lives easier pa din naman,
Oo,
sila nagsusulat. Pero ano, eh, there's just more talent that I can see in authors that are also writers.
oo, okey.
Kasi those people are able to communicate their ideas in the best way they can.
Oo,
Hindi lang aasa sila to other people to write it for them. Parang ano, I respect people who can cook for themselves, other than bibili sila ng ingredients ta's papaluto nila sa iba. At the end of the day,
gets, gets,
pare-parehas kayong
gets.
may kare-kare, pero mas
Oo.
na-appreciate ko kung ikaw nagluto.
Oo, kasi iba rin yung may parang idea to execution, iba rin yung, I guess, yung own touch mo to
Yes,
it,
yung
it's different,
presentation
eh.
mo, yung delivery mo of the
Okay.
idea, 'di ba? Iba pa rin yun, eh,
Okay. So I
yun.
guess what we're trying to see right now is in the publishing industry or even in the content industry in general, there's a space for the authors
Yeah.
who have opted to get their books ghostwritten because maybe may limited lang din ako na view about it. Kasi inisip ko, shit, pag ghostwriting, talagang totally ghostwritten lang lahat. But I would imagine may involvement talaga si author sa
Yes,
process of it and
yes,
maybe the ideas, the outlines, and then everything. Tapos
yes.
parang actual structuring lang dun pasok si ghostwriter.
Yes,
Oo.
funny thing ano, interesting thing na sinabi mo yung structuring,
Okay.
yun, important word yun na parang kasi some authors, let's say ang example natin na isang business leader 'no,
Hmm,
na talagang
mga thought
successful,
leader, oo.
sila yung mga gustong maggawa ng books, eh. So yung mga people na yan marami na silang quotable quotes, marami na
Oo,
silang stories, ganyan. It's just that they're minsan it's possible that they're too busy
gets.
to not structure it na sila na yung gumawa, 'di ba?
Oo,
Kaya they would hire some other people to do the structuring for them.
gets.
Kaya okey lang din naman 'no?
Mm.
Pero I would respect yun nga, I would respect more the business leader who actually wrote it. Kasi
Oo.
grabe ang feels nun, 'di
Iba
ba?
yung feels nun, eh, kasi galing sa
Yeah,
POV talaga niya, ramdam na
yes.
ramdam mo yung puso.
Yes, yun
Yeah,
'di ba?
yeah.
Iba talaga ang feels 'pag dun talaga galing sa source 'no?
Oo.
Yun.
Okey. So, ba't tayo napunta dun ulit?
Yeah.
Yung sa ano, sa libro mo 'no, yung
Yes.
process of, going through it all na ikaw yung, isang taon mong ginawa yung San Angeles Park
Yep.
and
Grabe yun.
doing it all ta's finding a printer
Yeah,
to print it. So,
yeah.
it took a year, tama ba?
Ah, actually ang printing and marketing selling mabilis na yun, 1 month lang yun.
Okey.
Ang matagal yung editing
Editing
talaga
talaga.
sa'kin, yun.
Okey,
Pero siguro ang best story diyan is yung yung Sunshine Moonchild and Reaching for the Stars.
okey.
Kasi yun ang mas naunang na-release, eh. Kumbaga
Yung dalawang poetry books, oo.
sinulat ko ang San Angeles Spark January, na-release yun next year March na, parang
Gets,
gano'n.
oo.
Ang Sunshine Moonchild sinulat ko ng May, June, na-release yun August agad.
Okey.
So, ang pinakaiba kasi nun is it's that it's poetry 'no, so
Hmm,
parang ako 'pag nag-poetry set in stone na, hindi ko na masyado ine-edit minsan.
oo.
Hindi tulad ng story na puwede mong ibahin ng
Gets.
characters at plot ganyan.
Tama kasi may ibang ano pa yun, eh, nuances 'pag ano,
Yes,
fiction pa,
yes,
oo.
yes. So poetry siya and parang ano lang, iyon yung naging low hanging fruit ko nung time na yun. Sabi ko, "Okey, patapos na 'to, tapusin ko na, i-print ko na para may physical book na ako na ano, no matter what kung anong book yun, basta meron na akong physical book." So yun, so mabilis lang siya, sinulat ko maybe in a month or 2 months, sobrang bilis lang talaga niya nasulat. Ewan ko baka masyado lang ako inspired nung time.
Naku, ano yung inspiration?
Grabe,
Sige nga, pa-share naman diyan, ano ba yung inspiration ng isang author to publish a poetry book?
grabe. Ang ano kasi eto yung third book kasi nun, eh. So
Okey,
ang
oo.
ano nun, about love yun.
Okey.
Ah,
Sana all may inspirasyon.
oh my gosh.
So,
Pero
this was
anyway,
2022,
2021 ba o
1 or
2?
22?
I'm not sure.
Okey.
Basta mga gano'n, matagal na din.
So,
Ah,
parang nag-publish ka ba para sa isang tao lang?
hindi, it's for me.
Ah, sure.
Talaga lang,
Sure, sure, whatever you
Ah.
say.
Hindi,
Okey.
pero ano, that book kasi may theme kasi yun, trilogy yun.
Okey,
So, may theme yun. Yung unang book is about pain from love.
okey,
So, kung nasaktan ka about love, that's the perfect book. Tapos ang next nun is Moving On.
okey.
Medyo mas makapal na yung book na yun, oo. Yes.
Okey.
Tapos yung eto na yung third book, this is about healing and self-love na.
As seasons
Yes, As
change.
Seasons Change. Ang title ng trilogy ay
So,
Celestial Cycle.
eto pinlano mo ba yun na maging trilogy talaga siya?
Actually hindi. Ano lang, naplano ko siya nung tapos na yung 2 books.
So parang yung first 2 books hindi mo inisip na magiging trilogy siya,
Hindi.
nagkataon lang na connected sila?
Yes, parang ano kasi, sakto din kasi nung phases ko. So,
Okey.
parang sinulat ko yung Pain from Love, yung Sunshine and Moonchild, na may masakit, kaya sinulat ko
Yun
siya.
pala yun yung sinasabi mong inspiration.
Oo, yun ang
Okey, so parang nasa isang
ah,
tao.
Yes, parang
Oh,
gano'n.
sige,
So,
sige.
masakit kasi nung time na yun kaya talagang easy and flow, sobrang bilis
Super super
lumabas.
gets kasi ako din poetry talaga yung main
Hmm,
creative writing outlet ko.
yes,
Nung bata ako napo-publish yung poetry ko sa likod ng magazine,
yes,
yung sa candy kasi
yes.
laging hugot yun, eh. Parang
Hugot,
yung mga painful words na malalim
yes.
kasi yung sakit mo, shit,
Oo,
ang
lalabas
dark.
mo dun,
Tas
oo.
tuloy-tuloy lang.
Yeah.
Tas yung sa'yo parang I guess, nauna mo bang sinulat yung mga tula bago mo naisip na gawing libro?
Interesting. Sinulat ko yung tula in the purpose na ano sila ma-collect. So, hindi ko iniisip na magiging libro, parang naisip
Collection
ko
lang,
lang ma-collect siya. So,
gets.
parang ano lang yun, eh, isang word file lang,
Para sa'kin kasi ngayon meron ako sa notes ko, isang notebook, sa Evernote kasi 'to, eh. So marami 100
nakalagay lang
na
dun,
tula, oo,
oo.
ihiwa-hiwalay lang ta's
Yeah,
naka-compile.
yeah.
So gano'n yung sa'yo
Gano'n
para isang
gano'n
Word
din,
doc
isang
lang
Word
din.
doc lang. Actually that's good din kasi parang I think diyan magsisimula yun, eh, na parang dun mo maisip, pare-parehas yung
Yung
idea nung iba. So,
parang
puwede
ginroup mo
puwede 'to
siya.
maging ano, isang buong chapter mga ganyan. So,
Oh.
nagdudugtong-dugtong siya, eh.
So gano'n yung parang naging process mo din,
Yes.
ginrupo mo sila according to the
Yes.
theme,
Actually
the
hindi
topic.
na ako naggrupo kasi lahat talaga pare-parehas
Talagang,
ng
same
ano,
lang talaga
oo,
talaga
same lang talaga sila
per
ng
libro,
message.
oo.
Kaya sabi ko, "Eh, di libro na pala 'to lahat," 'di
Ang
ba?
saya.
Parang gano'n.
Oo,
Tapos ang ano dun, so yun ang baseline nung book na yun ta's yung book kasi na yan meron pang mga essays na konti sa loob. So,
ganda, okey.
talagang hugot na hugot ang book na yan. So, may hugot ka na sa poetry
May hugot.
tapos sinulat ko sa mga essays na yun yung mga things na gusto ko sanang marinig nung time na yun, 'di
Ramdam
ba?
kita,
'Di ba?
ramdam ko yan.
So, kung yung book is
Oo,
Pain from Love, ano ba yung gusto kong marinig
marinig,
nung time na yun?
oo.
So, yung mga comforting stuff
Gets ko
pinagsusulat ko
yan, kasi
dun.
'pag nagsusulat ka somehow yun din yung
Yes,
message mo sa sarili mo, eh, to
yes,
comfort yourself, to make yourself
yes,
feel better.
yes.
Ilang pages yung ano, yung poetry book na
Yung
yan, yung una?
yung poetry na una, ilan ba yun, 79 or
79?
81
Oh,
ganyan,
ang
I'm not
dami-dami din,
sure.
eh, 'no?
Yes, yun ang pinakamanipis, ang sumunod ay Moving On, medyo mas makapal na siya. I'm not sure kung ilang page na yun, 80,
Okey,
80 something ata yun.
yung sa Moving On yung pangalawa.
Oo, Moving On yung pangalawa, ayun same pa din, gano'n pa rin ang process, ano ang nararamdaman ko in poetry, tapos
Mm,
ano ang message na gusto kong marinig.
okey.
So,
So may
nakasulat yun
essays
dun.
din siya, poetry
Mm,
and essays.
may essays. And since second book na yung pangalawa, sabi ko parang maganda 'to pala kung parang medyo connected sa una. So may mga certain callbacks
Ang
from the first book
galing.
yun. Like na-mention talaga dun, "From sunshine and moonchild we felt the pain," mga ganyan. "Now, we're gonna reach for the stars," mga gano'n. Kaya yun yung
Yung
title.
period na sinulat mo sila, magkasunod lang talaga ano? Parang literally going
Hmm.
through your
Yes,
journey?
magkasunod lang talaga.
Okey.
And, yun na nga yung weird part dun, eh, na parang ito yung Pain from Love. So, ito yung season ng pain. Dito ko nasulat yung book sa gitna, tapos moving on na 'tong part na 'to. Dito ko nasulat yung moving on sa pag-start.
Sa start.
Ngayon, sobrang tagal ng moving on ko, parang grabe yung movie.
Gaano katagal yun, mga ilang um, hanggang
For context, ito na-release last week lang ata, March 13.
kailan mo sinimulang isulat
Eto
'to?
sinimulan ko 'to isulat wait lang, ano ba 'yan, parang nasulat ko 'to ano na 'to, June 2023 pa.
Ah,
So, medyo matagal na
so
din.
yung moving
Anyway,
on
matagal na din. So,
okey,
sinulat ko
gets,
'yun, yung
gets.
moving on, ganyan. Tapos, parang wala ng line after ng moving on sa healing, eh. Parang naging one and the same na siya.
Okey,
Kasi 'di ba
gets, gets. Tama naman.
madi-distinguish mo ang ano, eh, ang season of pain mo sa season of moving on. Pero you cannot distinguish yung season of moving on mo sa
Basta
season of
kasi
healing mo.
it's ano, eh, it's
Oo.
basically the same.
Yes,
It's
it's
basically the
basically the
same.
same.
So nung time na 'yan talagang ano 'no, parang outlet mo lang din talaga yung
Yes.
poetry and you were
Yes.
writing for yourself.
Grabe.
Tapos itong as seasons change,
Etong As Seasons
was there
Change,
anything different with your process? Kasi alam mo ng trilogy siya, eh. Oo.
'yan naisip ko na, sabi ko, "Ay ang galing nag-connect yung dalawang book. What if may isa pa?" Sabi ko kasi parang end na ba yun? Was it enough na naka-move on ka na from the pain?
Mhm.
So, ta's ang ano nun, nahihirapan ako umisip ng idea, what's next?
Yep.
Pero nakalimutan ko na yung dalawang books pala na yun are about me lang talaga. So, what am I feeling right now? So, sabi ko, I'm feeling right now that I wanna choose myself. I
Ah,
wanna I wanna have self-love. So why not
self-love.
write about it? Parang
Okay,
gano'n.
love
So
it.
ngayon, nauna na yung idea bago yung poetry. Kasi kanina 'di
Hmm,
ba poetry
poetry
tapos
muna
ito pala
tas
yung idea niya.
oo, gets.
So
It's the other way around.
mas naging intentional ba.
Gets.
Ito yung ang purpose ko ay transformation, self-love, self-change. What are the words I want to say
To
or in what
say.
ways can I say that in many
I
ways,
would
parang gano'n.
imagine it's a bit more challenging ng other way
Yes,
around 'no? Kasi for me, nahirapan ako i-force, eh, 'pag hindi
yes,
nag-flow ng
yes,
naturally.
yes,
But at the
mahirap
sa
nga.
oo, pero at the same time 'pag nagawa mo, it's so
Yeah,
powerful also.
powerful. Actually sobrang ito yung pinakamatagal kong nasulat. Kasi
Okey.
yung ano talaga, yung Sunshine and Moonchild,
Dali la
honestly,
dali lang yan, umiiyak ka lang tapos sulat ka na.
iiyak ka lang nun tapos I think 2 weeks lang tapos na yung buong
Oo.
libro nun, eh. Ito talaga ilang months ko sinulat. So
Oo.
and it reflects din 'no, kasi minsan nga gano'n nga naman talaga in pain, parang sobrang maximized siya, naka-zoom in siya, parang 2 weeks feel like 2 years if you're in pain.
Oh,
Pero
actually totoo yun.
'di
Totoo
ba?
yun.
Pero ang healing mo ay matagal. It's ano, it's, droplets. Kumbaga parang ang pain ay storm, pero ang healing are droplets.
Paunti-unting
Mm.
nangyayari, tama.
So, I wrote the poetry here in different places, different time, with different people.
Mm.
So, dun ako na-amaze and now looking back at it 'no, sorry. And now looking back at it parang ang interesting lang kasi binabasa ko din yung sarili kong book na parang binabalikan 'no, and
Binabalikan mo.
nakaka-amaze lang na minsan naalala mo, "Ay sinulat ko 'to dito, eh, kasama ko pa nga si gano'n, eh," 'di ba?
Oo,
So
may
parang
memories na attached.
para siyang photo gallery sa mind mo na, "Ay grabe naman tapos na 'to, ganito pa ako before, now I'm here, okey na," parang ganyan. And ang ibang process pa pala dito is that ito po idea tas poetry, tas ito dinagdagan ko talaga ng essays.
Ah, intentional din talaga.
Kasi this one is not for me na, it's for the reader na. Kasi I
Ah,
know ako kung healed na ako, I would find value in, reading the lessons, pero I know someone out there. So, moving on is about you, eh, pero healing is about sharing it to other people na.
ganda nun 'no, kasi
Grabe, 'di ba?
grabe yung process 'no,
Yes,
and then the power din of using your talent,
yes,
not just as an outlet for yourself, but
yes,
as a way to inspire and help others going through the
yes,
same thing. Kasi
yes,
parang ang hirap hindi ka naman makakatulong to help others heal if you haven't gone through the process yourself.
yes, yes,
Habang ginagawa mo yan, nag-aaral ka ng civil engineering.
yes.
Oh my God.
Na-a-amaze din ako minsan, eh. Yeah.
Parang did you have to go through nagkaroon ka ba ng challenges balancing it? I mean, siyempre I
Ah,
mean, of course, siguro yung first 2 books medyo mas madali dahil that's natural. Pero like yung sa San Angeles Park and
yes,
this one,
yes,
how did you aside from that, mamaya di-discuss natin yung journey mo in your new career
yes,
now,
yes.
oo.
Ayun, medyo mahirap to i-explain lalo to people who haven't experienced it,
Okey.
pero kasi kami ang batch na nag-online classes.
Oo nga. Para kasi talagang from the start ba online classes na kayo? As
Ang
in
start ko ng
saktong-sakto?
college talaga ay online class.
Gets. As in saktong
Yes,
pandemic.
sakto as in March
Gosh,
ang lockdown, August ba or October start na ng classes,
get.
kaya online agad kami.
So talagang I guess nung panahon nga ng pandemic parang ang daming nangyayari, ang daming nagawa
Yes,
ng mga tao dahil online lahat
yes.
kahit ako.
Oo, yeah,
Oo.
totoo. Kasi you never realize how free your time is, 'di ba?
Oo,
Para, ano at up until nag-pandemic.
na hindi ka makalabas.
Oo,
Oo.
na-realize natin kung gaano kalaking time ang nauubos natin sa transportation, mga ganyan.
Yeah, yung mga labas-labas lalo na sa Pilipinas.
Lalo sa Pilipinas, 'di ba?
Ibang topic na yan, oh my
Oo,
God, but like
ibang topic.
grabeng transportation
Pero
problem
gano'n na
yan.
nangyari sa'kin kasi my let's say normal schedule sa school 7 to let's say 3
Oo,
PM. Yung 6 to 7 AM na na dapat ibibiyahe mo papuntang school, minsan ako naisusulat ko na,
mm.
'di ba? O kaya yung mini mini free time na nauubos sa isang araw, naisusulat ko na. So, sobrang freeing nung time na yon na pandemic online class na madami talagang time.
Gets, gets.
Honestly, kahit ako madami akong time talaga nun, di ko
Parang
rin
ano 'no,
alam.
naging pivotal din siguro siguro I mean among all of the hardships and difficulties that happened during
Mm,
the pandemic,
yep,
may mga good things that
yep,
parang silver lining that came
yes,
out of it. May mga
yes,
pivotal, I
yes.
guess.
Sobrang hindi good ang pandemic na ano, as a thing 'no,
Oo,
pero it was transformational for everyone.
it was
Yeah,
transformational.
grabe lalo sa'kin. And yun, I think yun ang reason
Kung
kung
bakit
bakit
na
ako nakapagsulat-sulat din ng madami-dami.
okey.
Madaming time, ayun, big factor ang madaming time, because when you have more time, mapipilitan kang mag-self-reflect.
Actually, parang yung pandemic was also a healing time for me nung first
Yes,
couple of years.
hmm,
It was also my spiritual
'di
transformation.
ba?
Dun ako na-open into these things, yung sa kanina 'di ba nag-meditate
Yeah,
tayo and everything. Dun lang ako na-open because maybe I had no choice.
yeah,
Yung feeling mo na backed into a corner ka and you
yeah,
don't have any choice because you can't go out.
yeah,
Ako, I was isolated by myself for ilang months. And I feel like the only thing na kakapitan ko noon was aside from online friends, what it was spirituality. 'Di ba? Meditation, prayers, and
totoo.
everything. So, I guess everything does happen for a reason or parang somehow it all works out at the end of
Yes,
the
it all
day.
works out at the end.
So, yung isa mong libro,
Hmm,
yung ano, Reignite, tama?
Reignition,
Reignation,
yeah, yeah. Oo
Reignation.
nga pala
How
'no.
did pandemic mo rin ba sinulat yun?
Oh, actually, paano ko nga ba sinulat yun? Yun ang mas mabilis ba yun? Mas mabilis yun nasulat, pero matagal din na-edit.
Get
For some reason. Kasi lalo nung pandemic, so saktong-sakto kasi nahilig ako sa books ng bago mag-pandemic. Kaya nung pandemic hindi talaga ako na-bored. Books talaga,
Talks
books,
talaga
books,
nung
books, ganyan.
pandemic.
So, ang dami kong nabasa lalo mga self-help. And Reignition is a product of reading self-help books talaga.
Gets. So, yun lang ba yung only self-help book mo so far?
Yes, ang balak ko talaga nun maging self-help author, pero for some reason lumabas ang poetry ko,
Oo.
lumabas ang horror ko. Sabi ko, "Ano ba
Nauna yun.
talaga gusto ko?" 'Di ba?
Puwede naman lahat.
Parang gano'n. So,
Oo.
sabi ko, "Sige, sulat ka na sulat, malalaman mo din 'yan."
Oo.
Parang gano'n.
Okey.
So, sinulat ko yung Reignition, ayun, for context, ang Reignition is more about, motivation, ganyan.
Yeah.
Ah, what, what I understood about the science of motivation nung time na yun. So, hindi ko pa siya nare-revisit honestly, pero possible na some of it are outdated because I've grown as a person ngayon. I
Yeah.
may not agree with the person who I am before, 'di ba?
Oo.
Pero at the end
Pero
of the day, it was my truth before.
exactly, and I feel like I would relate,
Yeah.
kasi I started writing on my on page sa Engineer Raketera 2019.
Yes.
So,
Nakikita
mga
ko yun,
'di ba?
dun ako nanggaling, eh.
Oo, dun ka nanggaling pala 'no?
Yes.
So, parang yun din yung outlet ko, just
Yes.
writing motivation for myself also.
Yes.
Then I kind of stopped mga 2023, mid
Mm.
2023 kasi to focus on books pa and everything. And then earlier this year, ang plano ko kasi talagang gustong gawin matagal na is to write a book out of all of my kasi essays ko na yun, eh, compilation ko na yun. So, I've been coming up with this ano na, draft. Ni-review ko din. So, may mga sinulat ako dun from 2019. Ang concept ng libro, so ano naman, guys, sneak parang kung ano yung sinulat ko 2019, ginagawan ko ng commentary of kung ano ng meron ngayon.
Perfect, maganda.
So, parang okey, ito yung mga applicable pa din ngayon,
Yes.
but after that
Nice, oo.
oo.
Sobrang nice nun, oo.
Oo, 'di
Yeah,
ba?
good, good,
Kasi totoo yung sinabi mo,
yes.
nag-evolve talaga tayo, eh. And for
Yes.
me, ang dami ko ring nasulat before na maybe applicable at that phase in my life, but after learning a lot of things since
Yeah,
then, nag-iba na. So, gano'n yung ang galing 'no, how
totoo.
our writing evolves
Yeah,
din with
again,
who we are.
transformation nga.
Transformation talaga.
Sobrang nice nun kasi sometimes we say things na we may or may not agree 'no,
Oo,
in the future kumbaga. And it's good na parang ano 'to, parang a form of self-reflection na nga din.
oo.
Going back to it, ganito pala yung naiisip ko before, bakit ganito yung iniisip ko before,
Yep,
and bakit ganito na iniisip ko ngayon? Parang
yeah.
gano'n, 'di ba?
Kaya ano din for me, medyo off topic pero related,
Mm,
I don't believe in cancel culture.
yes,
Because people judge you based on what your thoughts are in the
yes,
moment. But I believe kasi people can grow and learn from
yes,
their mistakes or their journey. So parang kasi ako, I've also been siguro kung nag-uso na yung mga online things from 10 years ago, mga opinion ko pang ano din eh, controversial eh.
yeah,
So yeah, and yun so going dun yung journey mo on publishing
yes, yes,
book, right? Books basically.
yes,
And now naman, you're a lead copywriter.
yes.
How did I mean, writing, yes, sige, pero how did you evolve? Ano yung did you undergo copywriting trainings before becoming the an official copywriter? What happened?
Interesting. Ganito ang story. I'm the type of person who always shows up just because it's fun,
Yeah,
parang
okay.
gano'n. So, everything talaga going back ano, kahit yung mga summer job ko I was there just because it was fun, even though it was boring pero for me it was fun. So may dumaan lang na ad, hindi naman siya ad, eh, parang poster lang ni Real Talk Darbs. Tapos ano daw, looking for interns, nakita ko dun graphic designers, tech director, writer, ganyan. Sabi ko, may ego pa ako nun kasi nakapagsulat na ako ng book nun, eh. Sabi ko, writer naman ako, eh, ganyan.
Oo, tama naman.
Writer naman ako, eh, 'di mag-apply ako writer, 'di ba? So, nag-apply ako, fill out ko yung Google Forms, tapos may ano dun, may need pa nga ng portfolio. But at that time, wala naman akong professional portfolio as a professional writer, creative writer lang. So, pinagsusulat ko lang dun, ganyan. Pati yung sa website. Actually, meron din ako website before na hindi naman nag-take off talaga,
Yeah, nakita ko yun, eh.
nag-brain dump lang talaga ako before dun.
Oo.
So, yun. So, nilagay ko lang yun din yun dun. So, ayun, ano na, tuloy-tuloy na ano, kinontak ako through email, ito daw ang test write-up, okey approve, intern ka na. So, intern, 3 months intern, unpaid, intern ka lang and just because it was fun for me, di ko lang talaga naisip na, tapos na pala ang ano, 3 months ganyan,
Okey.
tapos ganito pala ang ginagawa. So, yung buong 3 months na yun, training lang, how to write ba for content, ganyan. Kasi nag-shift na, eh, ang writing ko ay creative talaga. So, nag-shift bigla na content creation. And saktong-sakto pa nung time na yun kasi tapos na din ako mag-PC Master Camp nun.
Kailan 'to? Kailan ba 'to?
Ang ano
Twenty
ko, ang internship ko nag-start last year with Real Talk Tarbs na mga March, April
2024.
2024.
Kailan ka nag-master camp?
Ang master camp ko ay 2023 April.
Okay. For context guys, yung PC Master Camp is a program under
Yes.
passionate creators. Yung second episode 2 guest natin si Louie Baarde. So siya yung ano
Yes,
nun.
yun malalaman niyo.
Oo.
Sobrang solid din nun lalo sa community.
Oo.
Ayun,
So
more about personal branding,
so
ganyan.
yung Master Camp was helpful din for your
Yun
internship?
ang jumping off point ko sa mga content ko talaga kasi before Mastercam nagko-content ako na about sa guitar na,
Hmm.
another story na
Okey,
naman yan.
mamaya na oo nga, tama. Sige, ang
Ang
daming
dami
parallel.
nangyayari.
Gets, gets.
Oo, so yun nagko-content ako about Mastercam. So, sige let's talk about Mastercam na. Ano yun parang nakita ko yun kasi I was in your circle pa nung time na yun, eh.
Okey.
So, meron kang talk nun with Louie.
Ano 'to?
Hindi mo na
Shit,
matatandaan
di
yun,
ko na
pero
maalala.
it's about ikigai or something.
Yeah, siguro isa sa mga yun,
Oo,
parang special PC night
oo, parang
siguro.
parang special PC night ngayon kasi at the end nun, nagpo-promote na ng master
Master
camp.
camp, okey.
So, parang okey ano, inattendan ko yung event na yun, dun ko nakilala si Louie, ganyan. And na-amaze talaga ako dun sa master camp kasi yun yung unang glimpse ko ng community of creatives. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakakita
Ah.
talaga nun before. Parang it's either wala kang mararating sa buhay or professional ka, ganun ganun talaga.
So, sorry nagulat ako. Akala ko kasi parang nung time na nagwo-work tayo together, exposed ka na rin talaga sa PC and
Actually hindi
everything, hindi
talaga.
pala.
Sa'yo ko na-expose sa PC.
Oh, ang
Mm, yes.
galing.
So dun siya
Yung
nag-connect-connect.
yung exposure mo sa
Yes.
creatives.
So,
Nice,
sabi ko,
nice.
"Ang galing, ang saya pa nung ano, 'di ba, nung video. Sabi ko, "Ang
Oo,
saya-saya naman nito," ganyan. Eh, the problem was, wala akong pang-enroll nung time na yun.
okey.
So, okay, it was just a dream, masaya, at least nakaka-attend ako ng mga ganitong webinars na free. Tapos nagpa-ano sila, tawag
Yung may
dito,
scholarship.
scholarship,
Yes, oo.
nagpa-scholarship sila. So, again, for fun, nag-fill out ako. Tapos talagang ano, pour into heart, grabe ang questions do isang question lang pero 5 paragraph ata yung sagot ko.
Nice, nice,
Oo, grabe
nice.
talaga yun. So, lo and behold nakuha as ano, scholar. Dalawa kami ni Kian nun. So, dalawa kaming scholar. Tapos sakto pa na ang master camp ay 5, 6, 7, tatandaan ko yun, eh. Kasi ang birthday ko ay 4, 'di ba?
Ay, oo, oo.
Eh, may strength sa master camp. So, wala rin akong pambayad ng strengths. Sakto pa,
Okey, gets, oo.
oo, kasi ba kailangan may strengths ka
Separate
muna
siya,
before
oo.
ka ano, before ka umattend ng master camp. So, wala
Okey.
akong pambayad ng strengths kahit 2,000 lang yun
Nung time
before,
na
'di
yun,
ba?
oo.
So, gano'n ako kapurita talaga nung ano,
Nung mga panahon
nung
na
mga
yun.
panahon na yun. Tapos sakto pa kasi I had a friend na nung birthday ko, niregaluhan niya ako ng strengths code. Kaya saktong-sakto
Wow!
talaga, grabe yung alignment
Grabe
na
yung
nung
alignment.
ano April 4 niya minessage niya ako ng morning sabi niya, "Bro ito yung ito yung strengths code mo, yan, take ka kasi pinag-uusapan din namin yung strengths before, eh. Pero hindi pa ako nagde-deep dive nun kasi parang alam ko lang yung strengths as a book, ganyan.
Oo, yung sa book.
So, nawi-weirdan pa ako sa kanya kasi ano ba yung strengths na yun? So, pinag-take niya ako. So, anyway, master camp may strengths na ako.
Ano yung
Sige,
5 mong
ang
strengths?
5 kong strengths ay 1 ideation, okey. Number 2 relator, number 3 ay communication,
Ooh,
number 4 ay, ano nga ba yung 4 ko, maximizer,
okey.
tsaka strategic.
Pareho tayong tatlo.
Hmm,
Ideation, Rater, Strategic.
relator ka din,
Oo.
yeah, yeah,
Communication ko nasa top 10.
nasa top 10,
Oo,
okey.
cool, cool. So ngayon nung nag-undergo ka ng master camp,
Hmm,
knowing your strengths, how was it?
it was perfect timing, eh, kasi it was a time na iniintindi ko pa lang, ano ba yung ideation, ano ba yung strengths in general. Tapos nasaktuhan pa na you are surrounded with people who actually use their strengths and alam talaga kung ano ibig sabihin ng strengths. Dun pa si Coach Ron, they're talking about sa mga yung hindi pala yun 5, 6, 7 parang 'di ba may in between
Yung
days nga
five
pala tayo?
seven nine
5,
yan,
7, 9
9
pala
siguro,
yun. So yung
oo.
6 tsaka 8 may
May
call
mga
yun sa
coaching,
gitna,
oo.
oo. So parang doon. And ayun, dun talaga ako nag-deep dive. After that, sabi ko, if strength is so effective sa mga tao na 'to, I need to understand this even deeper. Kaya after that, talagang pinagbibili ko lahat ng makikita kong strengths book sa book sale, ganyan. Sa
Shout
book
out to
sale,
book sales.
shout out to book sale. Grabe ang ano niyo, mga strengths books. Minsan
Oo,
nakakita pa ako may code pa, yun binibili ko talaga
nice,
yun, grabe.
nice.
So,
Upcoming
talagang
project with book sale, guys.
yes.
Soon, soon, soon. Anyway.
Grabe. Pero yun,
Oo.
deep dive talaga, what are strengths, ano ba yung strength ko, how do I use it with other people, parang ganyan. Even sa mga relationships, parang pati mga family pa nga nabasa ko na din, ganyan. So, dun ako nag-deep dive and ayun, that's PC Master Camp, dun ako na-expose sa community, kay Kuya Bry lalo, 'di ba? Si Kuya Bry was one of the speakers din ata nung time na yun,
Yeah,
eh,
shout out
shout out
Brian
Kuya Bry.
yung nagbigay ng suggestion on this setup sa
The podcast king si Kuya Bry.
Yeah.
So, yun, yun ang interesting thing. So, iko-connect ko na siya sa internship ko with Real Talk
Yung
Darbs.
internship mo nangyari around what? May
March
March, sabay
March
halos
2024 yun, eh.
so para magkasunod talagang magkasunod na magkasunod.
Pero, 1 year apart kumbaga. 2023 ang master camp.
2023 yung master camp.
Yes, 2024 ang Real Talk Darbs.
Gets,
Yes,
okey.
yun. So, master camp ta's Real Talk Darbs noong 2024, I joined because alam ko nasa circle ni Real Talk Darbs si Kuya Bry.
So nag-connect na.
Oo, sabi ko, if shit hits the fan, at least may kakilala mo ako sa loob, 'di ba? Parang ano naman, ano, hindi ako outsider na hindi naman outsider pa rin, pero at least I feel safer na nandun si Kuya Bry.
Okey.
So, nag-apply ako ganyan, ganyan. So, it was fun naman. And yun, tuloy-tuloy na talaga after nung internship na-absorb ako as a junior writer ang tawag. So, junior writer kasi because may writers pa na ako na ano, yun nag-train din sa'min ganyan.
Grabe 'no, kasi parang from there parang kailan yung kahapon kakagaling
Yes,
ka lang sa event.
sa
Tas
event
nung
din.
isang linggo nakita ko I think ngayon guys nagto-talk na si Migs in
Yeah.
front of thousands of people.
Yes.
Nakapag-play pa siya ng gitara sa harap,
Yes.
which is one of the things you've manifested din
Yes,
pala 'no?
naisingit ko pa yun.
Oo, grabe. Ano siguro, sa journey mo,
Hmm.
throughout your journey, what would you say yung biggest plot twist mo? I know madami, pero ano
Ah
yung isa siguro na
I believe the biggest plot twist was sige yung pinaka life-changing talaga yun yung kay Real Talk Darbs. Grabe talaga ang power of mentorship
okey,
na dun ako na-amaze na sabi ko kasi may maximizer, eh, si Kuya
yeah,
Darbs, eh. So sabi
okey.
ko, "Sige use me, maximize me." Parang ganun ang naging ano, naging tema, eh. So yun ang pinaka plot twist na ito yung advice ko din 'no, kasi sinasabi ko lagi ang advice ko sa mga baguhan, ayusin niyo yung resume niyo ganyan, ayusin niyo yung interview niyo, hindi, fuck the resumes and interviews. At the end of the day, find someone na who's living the life you want
I love that 'no?
and do
Oo.
whatever it takes to do what they do, parang gano'n. And actually yun lang talaga ang secret and ako napo-prove ko na paunti-unti, eh. Sabi ko, previously hindi ko naman ano 'to, di ko nga dream 'to before, eh. Tapos nagagawa ko na at yun lang pala ang secret. Just find kung sino puwedeng gayahin. Ta's
Yeah,
gayahin mo, ikaririn mo yung
oo.
panggagaya, parang gano'n. So yun yung nakaka-amaze. Ayun,
So
ano nga yung
ngayon parang would you say you're clear na on what kasi I think, marami sa'tin including me sometimes in my journey, yung struggle ko is knowing what exactly the kind of life that I want.
yeah.
For you, would you say that you have it parang more or less sure,
Hmm,
at this point at least,
yeah.
about the kind of life that you want?
Ah, I would not say sure kasi at the end of
Kaya
the
wala
day
naman
lagi
talagang
ako hindi
oo,
sure, eh.
oo.
I would say mas confident, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Kasi before sinasabi ko gusto ko ng ganito pero hindi ako confident, parang gano'n. Parang
Gets,
sabihin
gets.
ko gusto ko sana pagka-graduate ano, let's say let's say may sarili na akong place ganyan.
Mm.
Pero iba kasi ang desire sa talagang confident ka na dun sa ano, sa gusto mo. Iba ang desire sa goal na, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
So, 'pag desire kasi gusto mo lang pero alam mo yun, again, it starts with desire din naman, pero important na maging goal siya. Kasi dun ka talaga magiging focus na yung desire mo magiging reality.
So
And
parang for you, yung you mentioned kanina 'di ba that it's been a journey na nag-transition ka from writing creatively sa book and then getting introduced to this writing through the internship and eventually becoming one of the lead copywriter. Yung copywriting is a different skill on its own eh.
yes, ibang-iba talaga siya.
It's a different skill. So
Yes,
parang for you to master it within that short amount of time
yes.
and actually teach people about it, what are the maybe the top three things that you had to parang I
Ah,
guess
ah,
essential sa transformation mo into an
okey.
effective kasi guys yung copywriting ni Mix has helped business owners reach eight-figure income. Tama
Yes,
ba? Yes.
our
Oo.
business and other people's
Oo.
businesses as
Oo.
well. Three things. Number one is openness.
Okay.
Openness talaga, huwag kang mas magaling pa sa nagtuturo sa'yo, parang gano'n.
Love
Ako
that.
hindi ako yung tao na matanong, pero ako yung tao na mapakinig.
Get.
So, papakinggan kita, ano yung maiintindihan ko sa tinuturo mo, openness talaga. When I started as an intern, hindi naman copywriting ang pinasok ko, eh,
Mm.
content writing or just writing in general. Pero nung bigla kaming naturuan na copywriting, how to write for ads, basically copywriting is writing for marketing
Yeah,
ads, yon
ads. Oo,
para lang may
marketing.
context sila,
Gets, tama.
yun. So yun, copywriting and naturuan kami, sabi ko, hindi ba masyadong salesy kapag ano, writing ng ads? 'Di ba minsan
Oo,
gano'n ang
gano'n
ads
yung
parang mabenta-mabenta, ganyan. Tas dun ako na yun ang unang limiting belief, eh. Tas sabi ko, what if maging open na lang? Puwede palang hindi maging salesy, ganyan. So openness, again,
Yeah.
openness, ano yung puwede kong matutunan, ano ba yung puwede kong ma-absorb, ano yung puwede kong magawa. Openness, number two, execution talaga. Very, very important. The reason why I already have results is because I execute it every single day.
Every single day.
Yes, every single day. Hindi hindi enough yung execute ka today ta's next week check mo yung progress, hindi. Execute mo today, check mo yung progress mamaya, parang
Gets.
gano'n.
How would you explain that to people on a practical level? Na parang what does like executing every day look like?
For example, kaming sa House Creatives, we always have events.
Okay.
So 'pag events, we need to promote it.
Yeah.
So, in order to promote it, kailangan may copy. So, ako
Hmm.
magsusulat nun.
Okay.
So, ako I always push myself na magsulat, na magsulat, na magsulat para alam ko kung ano yung nagwo-work dun. Kasi yun ang good thing about copywriting, eh, kapag yung write-up mo naging ads na, dun mo makikita talaga yung numbers. Nung
Yeah.
ad na 'to ang taas ng likes, pero mababa ang
Conversion.
conversion.
Oo.
Ito mataas ang conversion, pero ang baba ng likes.
Yep.
So, paano mo makukuha yung best ad dun? Ta's 'pag nakuha ko na yung winning ad, kuha, repeat it,
Parang
parang
ano,
gano'n.
very similar sa startup process eh,
Yes,
'di ba?
yes,
You
very
launch, you
similar.
build, iterate, and then
Yes,
and
yes.
everything.
Lalo
Yeah.
yung yung kalimutan ko yung word, yung idea sa lean startup na yung unang product, ano nga ba yun?
MVP.
MVP, oo,
Yeah.
yun
Minimum
laging
viable product.
laging maglalabas ng MVP na na copy. Tapos kapag nag-work
Yes.
siya, ano yung nag-work dun, sige apply ko next time, ano yung nag-work dito, hanggang sa nabubuo ko yung formula, ganyan.
I think I want to highlight this part specifically because people think that in order to be great, you have to be
Yes,
a perfectionist.
yes,
Feeling nila para maging excellent ka, you have the opportunity to be on stage, teach people, kailangan lahat
yes,
ng gawa mo excellent.
yes,
Pero what we are learning now, it's not eh.
yes,
It's the intentionality
yes,
to number one, work fast. Kasi hindi ka makakapag-launch ng MVP, hindi ka matutunan agad kung hindi mabilis eh. Yung iba kasi alam mo yung parang, hindi, kailangan ko i-perfect to
Yes.
bago ilabas, ganyan. Pero
Yes.
ngayon, ilalabas mo kung ano yung meron ka. Syempre, best of your effort na rin yun, excellence. Pero you'll only really know if it works if it's out in the market.
Yes.
Because you get data from real people, from the real
Yes.
world. And that's
Totoo.
how you hone and perfect your
Yeah.
craft.
Yeah.
It's not the other way around.
Yeah.
Nice,
Sometimes
nice.
sometimes people use perfection very zoomed in.
Oo.
Ang perfection, okay lang maging perfectionist, eh, hindi naman natin maiwasan 'yun, eh.
Mm.
Pero if you're perfectionist at the very minimal
Oo.
detail, dun ka mapapagalan.
Exactly.
Kasi at the end of the day, think of perfectionism as pagpapakulo. Kung lagi mo pinapakuluan every single hiwa ng potato, matagal mo
Matagal
talagang
talaga.
maluluto
Ang
lahat
ganda
'yun,
nun, eh.
parang gano'n.
Sa'kin ano, eh, ang principle that I follow, it's perfectionism is different from excellence. You
Yes.
can pursue excellence lagi, but it's not the same as perfectionism. Excellence means is parang for example, when I write, syempre yung mga grammar, yung capitalization, it's part of excellence. It's not
Yes.
part of perfectionism.
Yes.
Perfectionism yung parang babaguhin mo yung kada sentence, hindi mo alam, hindi ka makapag-settle, ganyan-ganyan. Tas inabot ka na ng isang linggo, wala ka
Yes.
pang nalabas. So,
Yes.
okay, ang ganda nun. So that's one is openness,
Mm.
number two yung
Execution talaga.
execution,
Number 3 is environment.
environment,
Very
okay.
important environment kasi lalo na 'yun, ako I have no choice but to really work fast, parang gano'n.
Get.
So even if magaling ako, if I don't work fast hindi ako makakasunod. So
Yes.
lalo if an event is approaching, may 1 month preparation na lang, ilang days ira-run ng ads, so I need to really do it ng ano, na agad-agad. So important 'yun because ayun nga, nakakapag-work fast and nate-test ko agad yung ano yung nagwo-work. And
Oo.
also yung environment namin, in my experience talaga, very safe to experiment.
Very safe to
Hmm,
experiment.
Yun ang important na I would say if may mga kaedad ko that would find a workplace that's safe to experiment.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? For example, meron na kasing fixed structure si Darbs for the content. Ako yung as an ideation, ako yung nagbe-break minsan ng structure
Oo.
or naghahanap ng ibang
Wrong
ways
ways of
para
doing
mas
things,
maging
oo.
interesting yung mga ganyan. So, ako minsan yung mga gano'n. So, and it pays naman kasi minsan nakukuha ko na nagwo-work pala 'to, sige ilagay natin. And ano nga yung question ulit, nakalimutan ko tuloy.
What does, being, safe to experiment
Yeah, safe to
mean?
experiment.
Oo.
Ayun ibig sabihin he allows me to do that.
Yeah.
He allows me to experiment with ano, ganyan. And, he's very open to ideas. Minsan biglang tatawag brainstorm daw, ganyan. So, nagugulat ako minsan. So, open to ideas lalo na 'pag ano, 'pag alam mo na kasi even though it's still copywriting, medyo creative type of work
Yeah,
pa din kasi 'to, eh.
definitely
And
creative
it's
talaga siya.
important to have a way to experiment with your creativity talaga. Minsan baka hindi nagwo-work yung structured format, baka kailangan natin gumawa ng ads na medyo kalokohan, mga ganyan.
Yeah,
So, yun yung masaya, it's safe to experiment and also other people in the circle support you.
yeah.
Not because hindi naman nila naiintindihan kung ano yung ginagawa mo, but because they believe that what you do is important, parang
Parang ano
gano'n.
din 'no, related diyan yung alignment, I guess. Alignment na you're with the right people,
Yes,
and when we say right, it doesn't mean na may tama o mali na kind of tao. It's like align na lang kayo with the way you do things, the how fast you execute, and your openness to experiment. Kasi kunyari, let's say, hindi ibang tao yung nasa posisyon mo,
yes,
tas ibang-iba sa hindi sila mixed consult.
yeah,
Hindi magta-thrive yan sa environment na yan.
if hindi aligned
Oo,
talaga.
if hindi aligned, if hindi nage-gets yung principles behind what you're doing.
Yes.
So it's a two-way street kumbaga.
Yes, totoo.
A
Totoo
mentor
talaga.
can only do so much and a mentee can only do so much
Yes.
'pag walang alignment.
Yes, totoo. And again, um, I think the reason why may 3 months internship is not because to test my skills, but to test my values din naman, eh.
Values, ang ganda
Kaya,
nun, yeah.
the reason why nag-stay ako up until now, the reason why I thrive in the environment is because aligned talaga ang values. Because in the first place, yun ang tinest sa'kin. hindi ang
Okay.
skills ko.
Anong values mo, Migs?
Ang values ko talaga ay again openness, tapos, tawag dito, something new talaga.
Hmm,
So, in my line of work in copywriting laging new
yeah,
faces ang students, new ways to do ads, parang ganyan, new algorithms, parang gano'n. So, laging new,
laging new.
something new,
Innovation basically,
mm, and contribution. Dapat what you do
contribution.
is meaningful.
Love that.
What you do is meaningful, may value, may effect,
Ganda
kumbaga,
nun.
'yun.
So parang ano din 'no, a prereq to this would be also knowing
Yeah,
your values.
yeah.
And would you say that the journey you went through all your life contributed to you being clear on what your values are?
Yes, I would say, kasi every experience you have, nagbibigay yan ng clue on who you really are. And I believe this is the misconception about values, is that people think they need to find their values, when in reality they just need to be clear about it.
Yes, kasi it's
Parang gano'n.
already there, eh.
Andiyan
Kailangan mo
naman, eh.
lang ma-articulate siguro o
Oo.
lumitaw sa
Oo,
surface.
di mo lang siguro alam kung ano yung word na yan, or
Yeah.
maybe alam mo yung word, wala ka lang talagang proof with yourself na ganun talaga ang value mo, parang
Yeah.
ganyan.
So it's
Yun,
ano din, it all fall I think yung sinabi mong three things,
yeah.
yung openness, execution, and environment, it doesn't just apply to yung copywriting thing that you've mentioned, eh. It's about your journey in life, 'no? Parang when you execute din, dun ka magiging clear, ito pala yung values ko.
Yes,
Parang it's a good way to find, the right people, the right opportunities when you know your values
yes,
because you've become clear because of the experiences.
yes. And one of the things I learned sa isa sa mentors ko, yung si Coach Ras, if you
Yeah,
know Coach
Coach
Ras,
Russ,
is clarity talaga. Kasi when
clarity.
you're clear about who you are, kahit alisin ka sa puwesto mo ngayon, you can always find your way back up.
Yes,
Parang gano'n. Kahit saan ka itapon, kahit anong job ang gawin mo, kung CEO ka man o bigla kang maging janitor, kahit anong trabaho mo, if you're clear about who you are, you'll always come out on top.
clear
Yeah.
on being clear on who you are na kahit
Yes.
anong let's say lahat ng binild mo mag-crumble
Yes.
and you have to start from scratch, which
Yes.
I've gone through so many
Yes.
times.
Yes.
Parang ano din, yung panghahawakan mo talaga yung core mo, eh.
Yes, who you are.
Kasi if not, you're gonna feel and don't get me wrong, I feel like there will be times in your life where you would feel like you feel lost. You would
Exactly.
feel maybe stuck or something, but it's all part of the process, I would imagine, that allows you to get even clearer and come out stronger.
Yes.
So Migs, we talked about your journey, ganyan. We already mentioned some of the books, 'di ba, that
Yes.
inspired you. Can you name maybe the top three books that
Hmm.
that contributed to you going through that journey, through your plot twists, and who you
Hmm.
are today?
I love this. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong question lagi. Okay. Number one is Meditations by Marcus
Okay,
Aurelius.
okay.
It's not about the lines in the book, but it's about the history of the book. That's sobrang powerful to me.
Yeah.
Uh, for context, no, Marcus Aurelius is one of the most powerful men nung time niya,
Oo.
because he's the king of Rome ba, I think. And if you're a king of a kingdom before, you're gonna be one of the most powerful person in the whole world. And Marcus Aurelius is not someone na dictator. It's not someone, in fact, he's the last of the good kings ng Rome ata. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bash niyo na lang ako sa comment section.
Okay, ako din hindi ko
Ah,
alam yung masyadong
ah,
history
ah.
technicals, eh, but
Pero iyon, I admire him a lot, because even though he was king, ang king ay wala namang vice president, wala namang
yeah,
board of members. So sa'yo lahat ng buong
sa'yo lahat.
responsibility. He was able to compose himself, no? He was able to live a life of goodness despite
Yeah.
the tease of power sa throne niya. And yung goodness na yon sinulat niya sa libro na yon. Kaya Meditations, eh.
Parang yung meditations, tama ba? Ito yung somehow related to stoicism.
Yes,
Basically,
yes.
kasi kaya lang ako familiar with it because of Ryan Holiday.
Yes, yes. Si Ryan
Pero
Holiday
hindi ko
nga.
pa nabasa yung source, which is meditations.
Meditations,
Yeah.
yeah, it's about stoicism, yun pa rin naman ang main philosophical niya, realm niya. Pero ayun, yun ang amazing, eh, kasi king ka pero you don't think about the wars, you think about yourself, parang gano'n. So yun yung nakaka-amaze sa meditations, yun number one meditations. Number two is Road Less Traveled. by M. Scott Peck.
Pareho kayo ni Louie. Si
Ah,
Louie.
nadinig ko din yun last time, eh, so pero
Oo,
it's an
nice.
amazing book. Gusto ko yun, Road Less Travel tsaka yung Further Along the Road Less Travel.
Okay.
Basically yung anything M. Scott Peck
I'm
writes.
Scott Peck.
Pero Road Less Travel yung pinaka-influential because sobrang na-explain ang fundamental values. Ano ang discipline, ano ang gratitude. Nabasa ko pa ang Road Less Travel nung hinahanap ko pa ang meaning ng love. So, dun ko naintindihan talaga kung ano yung love. Tapos, ano nga ba yung isa pa niya, meron pa about spirituality. If most people don't know talaga, hindi talaga ako spiritual before. Ano ko, altar boy pa ako nung bata ako,
Okay.
Catholic.
Oo.
Pero after nun, parang sumuko talaga ako sa religion. Sabi ko, ano ba 'to, hindi ko maintindihan, bakit kailangan lumuhod-luhod pa ganyan?
Yo,
Bakit kailangan kong
nasanay na sa Catholic ang dami
oo,
ano, eh,
kailangan ko 'to kabisaduhin. So,
gets.
ako, I just be real ha, pero yun talaga, may point pa na ayokong maniwala kay God. Dumating pa ako sa point na gano'n up until yun, yun ang wonderful thing about God, eh, kasi sometimes you think you don't need God, then He shows you stuff na kailangan mo pa talaga siya.
I love that. Gusto ko lang sumingit, sorry.
Oo, sige,
Kasi
sige, sige.
sobrang ano, eh, very similar experience tayo. Actually, kakasulat ko lang din ng post about it
Yes.
yesterday, na parang hindi talaga ako religious. I grew up as a born again Christian raised by my family. 10 years ako nag-Catholic school. And same sentiments about bakit ba kailangan mag-memorize ng prayer? Puwede bang galing from the heart na lang?
May alas-tres pa ganyan, ganyan.
Oo, tas parang yung mga kasi you had to memorize yung mga instruments and everything, all the rituals. But at the end of the day, ang nag-stick nga talaga sa'kin with my faith is just knowing that I have a relationship with God
Yes.
regardless of religion. I don't
Yes,
care about religion. Sorry sa mga sana
yes.
walang ma-offend, but
Bash niyo na lang
o
kami.
bash na lang kami. But for me, ano, eh, feeling ko kasi religion, it's just different perspectives of
Yes,
one single thing, which is the
yes,
source, which is God.
yes,
So
exactly.
spirituality, it's how you feel it in your heart, how you forge that relationship. So yun. Kaya
Totoo.
yung mga manifestation things na 'to, na it's part of my spirituality because it's not magic, it's not woo-woo na weird,
Yes.
it's all grounded together. So yun, anyway,
Yes,
sorry.
totoo. I would relate 'no, siguro panibagong podcast na
Wala
naman
pa may
gano'n.
ibang episode siguro 'tong topic na 'to,
Oo.
grabe 'no?
Pero I would relate kasi the Road Less Traveled book,
Mm.
really opened up my spirituality.
Yun yun yung
Mm.
nag-open ulit.
Iyon yung last chapters nun, Spirituality and Grace ata ang title nun, eh.
Okey.
So, dun ko na-realize na, okey, hindi ko naman pala kailangan magsimba, bash niyo ko. Hindi ko naman pala kailangan lumuhod, hindi ko naman pala
Yes.
kailangan magdasal every time na bago ako matulog. It's just that mas importante na may relationship ka with God and you acknowledge that there is a God,
Yeah.
parang
Yeah.
gano'n. So,
Bash niyo ulit kami ba?
bash niyo ulit kami. Pero, yeah, kasi kasi dun ko na ano, eh, dun nag-dawn sa'kin na sabi ko, oo nga 'no, kasi ang prayer is just structure. Puwede
Yeah.
naman ako kung hindi nagwo-work sa'kin ang structure, 'di ba, 'di lumipat lumipat ako ng ibang structure
It's
or alisin ko ang
communication
structure.
lang.
Yes, basically it's just communication with
Communication.
your God, yun lang
Yes,
talaga.
kung
And
paano kayo mag-communicate yun na yun.
yes, whatever God ang gusto mo pusa yung God mo, bahala ka sa buhay mo,
Oo,
basta basta may God ka, 'di ba?
yeah.
Pe
Something greater than you
Yes,
basically,
something
something
greater
higher.
than you and it's a freeing feeling because kasi kapag wala kang God, you cannot surrender anything.
Totoo yun. Yun yung actually ayoko na mababash na naman ako ulit.
Oo,
Hindi kasi for me, I cannot imagine a life na wala akong paniniwalaang Diyos. Whether sometimes I call him the universe,
yes,
sometimes I call him God. But ever since I was young, I always believed in the motto na everything happens for a reason. And ngayon lang recently nagki-click sa'kin na kaya ako naging motto yun because I always believe there's a higher power out
yes,
there that's parang orchestrating everything. So when I go through a hardship, I know that at the moment it's painful, but when I look backwards someday,
yes,
I will know that it will all make sense
yes.
because there's a higher purpose for everything. And yun.
Kaya 'di ba, sinabi ko rin kanina, everything works out in the end. Kasi that's my way of praising God.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything works out in the end, ibig sabihin nag-work na naman siya.
Ako, I have a tattoo, have faith.
Love
Yun.
it. Close up.
Close up. Happy.
Love it, love it.
Yun, eh, yun
Yeah,
talaga
totoo,
yung
totoo.
panghahawakan mo. So
Yes.
it's helpful.
Yeah,
So ang
and
galing how you parang yung last chapter lang nung book na
yeah,
nabasa mo.
life-changing, 'di ba?
Oo,
Chapter lang 'yun. What
oo.
if isang book pa 'yun, 'di ba? So that's the second book, Road Less Traveled. Ano 'yun? Meditation,
Actions,
tapos Road
road
Less
less
Traveled.
traveled.
Iniisip ko ang third book kasi sobrang dami ng book, pero siguro yung ano,
Puwede
yung
namang 5 gano'n.
alin 5?
Sige,
10.
10.
Yung isa pa yung ano, Getting the Love You Want, Getting the Love You Want ba 'yun?
First time ko marinig 'to, eh.
Harville Hendrix ang author niya. Getting the Love You Want is a classic in relationship therapy. So, dun ko naintindihan what love really is, how love actually works, and how relationships work. For some reason, di ko alam kung bakit hirap na hirap ako magka-jowa. Kaya sabi ko,
Babasahin ko na
sige,
yata 'yan.
2023 aaralin ko what love is, ganyan. So, dun ako nag-research talaga, and yung best books talaga, Road Less Traveled tsaka Getting the Love You Want. Um, Dun in-explain ang science, the reason why we choose the people we choose, the reason why we love the way we love, ganyan.
Okey.
And ang science talaga nun is that yung childhood trauma, yun. So, dun siya
Mhm.
na-explain lahat.
Mhm,
So,
mhm.
for example, ang very basic example lang ano. For example, nung bata ka hindi ka masyadong hina-hug. Most likely kapag lumaki ka, you're gonna find a partner na hindi ka rin iha-hug. Bakit? Kasi yun ang familiar
Familiar,
sa'yo.
that's what love looks like to
Yes.
you.
Ngayon kapag nakahanap ka ng jowa na hina-hug ka naman, okey masaya siya, you know that hugging is a form of love, pero ire-resist mo siya. Kasi
Kasi hindi ka
hindi ka
sanay.
sanay. And iyon ang I think part ng transformation and healing purpose ko din na what are the things na false beliefs ko na dapat kong palitan, 'di ba, about love. And maybe that's the reason why parang gano'n, 'di ako nagkaka-jowa. Tas na-realize ko, puwede mo palang 'di sa jowa, puwede sa sarili ko na
Oo,
lang, 'di ba?
oo.
So, ayun, grabe ang transformation after that book.
Parang ano din 'no, I guess yung relationships kasi it's not just about having a romantic partner, eh.
Yes,
Feeling ko applicable siya sa friends, ganyan.
yes.
Kasi ako naman when it comes to books about relationships, ang nabasa ko is Attached.
Hmm,
Tama ba yung title? Basta I forgot the author,
parang
basta it's
nakita ko 'yan, yeah.
parang about attachment
Yeah, yeah,
styles.
yeah, yeah.
Ta's siyempre naghahalo-halo na rin lahat ng learnings from spirituality, healing the childhood trauma, kaya pala ganito yung kaya pala attracted ka sa unavailable guys kasi
Yes,
sanay kang hindi
sasaya ka
pinapansin
sa ano.
nung bata.
Oo,
Pero the thing naman kaya dun pala with friends din na
yes,
hindi ako nag-o-open up with friends
yes,
before kasi sanay ako nung bata wala akong na-o-open up-an or walang
yes,
nakikinig or something. But I think the key here maybe hindi ko alam kung yung sinabi sa book, these things can be overcome when
yes,
you have the awareness and you start healing.
yes.
Oo,
When you actually do the work, 'no?
do the work, the
Accept
inner
mo
work.
na gano'n talaga, accept your childhood traumas, ganyan. Accept your childhood in order for you to move forward.
Yeah.
Baggages, leave all the baggages behind.
It's ano, eh, it's not, an overnight thing.
Yes, hindi.
It's, for me ilang years din ako ang dami
Yes,
kong pinurge
yeah,
basically na ano, energy on
yeah.
that 'no. So so yun yung 3 books that
Yes,
you
3
ano 'no.
books talaga the
Meron ka
best.
bang mix na mga Filipino authored books that you read that also made an impact on you?
Ah, interesting. I'm sorry hindi ako mahilig
Okey
sa
lang.
Filipino books, eh.
Yeah,
Ano ba mga Filipino sobrang limited.
I get it, eh, I get it. Kasi parang, well kaya for me recently lang din ako na-expose sa Filipino authored books because hindi sila yung nakikita ko lagi sa bookstores, sa
Yes, yes.
online. Parang ano, eh, ang hirap maghanap. Sa PBF nga lang ako na-expose ng
Yes, ako din.
Filipino authored
Dun ko
books,
lang din
eh. Yeah,
nalalaman, eh.
yeah.
Meron yung isa yung How to YOLO Wisely
Yeah, yeah.
ni Nikki.
Actually,
I think iyon ang isa sa mga one of the best sa limited Filipino books na nabasa ko, parang ganyan. And it's good because hindi lang siya about money, it's about navigating adulting din
yeah,
kasi.
yeah, yeah.
So, na-appreciate ko yung book na yun, up until ngayon nasa akin pa din yun, eh. And ano pa bang mga Filipino books na yung books ko.
Tama naman, makes sense naman,
Make
char.
sense naman. 'Di
Pero
pero yun
yeah.
lang. Kasi nakabasa ako pero bakit hindi ko maalala? Bakit
For
How
sure
to YOLO Wisely lang
kasi
naalala ko, 'di
hindi
ba?
kita binigyan ng advance notice sa mga question.
Kasi hindi pala sinabi
Hindi
kanina.
sinabi kanina. Pero for sure marami
Yeah.
yan, hindi lang natin
Yeah, yeah,
naiisip.
yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
parang I think that's singit na lang din before we close this podcast, no? So, off the record, it's actually a podcast that we created under the brand Reco, which is a new platform under Bookspine. And the purpose for Reco is to make Filipino authored books be found and more discovered easily by the right people.
Yeah.
Kasi for us, kunyari, privileged tayo that we were able to find these books maybe from friends, from our network, from our recommendations. But what if we can come up with technology that can match you to the right book for
Yes.
you? Na hybrid AI and technology and people creation. And the biggest challenge na nangyayari yan is Filipino authored books kasi nga ang meron lang tayo ito PBF, Philippine Book Festival that happens once a year. After that, ano na? Where do we find the Filipino authored books? Na sometimes I think it's so kunyari, yung book mo on reignition,
Mm.
it's a self-help book. It's your interpretation of the different books that you've read.
Yes.
It's coming from you, a Filipino, with the perspective of a Filipino living in the Philippines,
Yes.
which involves a lot of nuances, 'di ba, in our
Yes. Yes.
culture. So I feel like yun yung value na ako din, I'm trying, ngayon ko palang, ito yung hugot ko na kaya gusto ko gawin yung platform talaga. Kasi ang dami, I'm sure may ibang magagandang Filipino author books like yours, itong mga libro mo, 'di ba? That deserve to be reached by more people. And also fun fact, guys, yung Reco, nag-start talaga tong idea last year pa, January 2024. Pinakauna kong in-interview na author to get insights about this is si Vigs.
Yes.
So,
Naalala ko
sobrang
pa yun.
instrumental din kay Vigs. Nasaan pa yung notes. Ang daming
Yeah.
insights that actually validated that there's a need for something like this. Lalo na sa ebooks kasi walang access
E-books.
din yung mga tao. So yun lang yung side kwento about Reco. So hopefully maka-discover tayo sa next interview.
Yes.
Marami na tayong Filipino authored books na madi-discover through the platform
Yeah.
and through this podcast. Kasi yung goal naman ng podcast is to share how books can impact your life. Na hindi naman kailangan avid bookworm ka to be able
Totoo.
to appreciate books. So there, last question. Last question. If your life were a book, what would the title be?
My gosh. Reignition. Reignition. Ano ba?
Recognition.
Siguro show up with an exclamation point.
Show up with an exclamation
Mm.
point. Bakit?
Kasi yun lang talaga ang ginawa ko eh. If I'm gonna tell the story of every experience I have, ang baseline lang talaga is I was there, no? The reason I was successful is because I was there. And some people wants to be successful but they're not there. Parang ganun. So you just have
Gets.
to be there. May talent ka man or wala, you have to be there.
Just
Show up.
no. Basically, show up.
Mm.
Galing. Na anhin mo nga naman talaga.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ka talaga makakakuha ng mga
Di
gusto
ba?
mo makuha kung hindi ka magpapakita.
Yes, kasi if you show up, you're opening the realm of possibilities. Pero if wala ka doon, walang possibility.
Exactly.
Di ba? Magaling ka man or hindi, mayaman ka man or hindi, whoever you are, if you just show up, if it's an invitation, an opportunity, kahit problema yan, if you just show up, at the end of the day, kung nandiyan ka, may
So,
possibilities.
talagang hindi na kailangan komplikaduhin. Show up lang
Yes,
talaga.
pumunta
Just
ka
show
lang
up.
talaga.
Kasi,
Yeah.
sorry, bago, ang haba na naman. Thought process na naman kasi ako.
Sige
Kasi
lang.
parang, yung showing up, for example, meron akong mga kilala, i-invite sila to have a
Mm.
talk, maybe.
Mm.
Pag hindi ka nag-show up, ang isipin nila sorry, yung way nila of not showing up is they feel like, bakit ako?
Yeah.
Bakit ako yung in-invite? Ayoko.
Yeah. Uurong na agad eh, di
Uurong
ba?
agad. Pero
Wala
if
pa
you
eh.
just, yun yung sinusundan ko rin na principle na kahit may imposter syndrome ka, you just
Yes.
show up.
Show
And then
up.
some things happen out of it. You grow
Yes.
from it. So, sobrang powerful. So, grabe, Mig. Sobrang solid ng kwentuhan natin this time. Sobrang
Yes.
saya to see the difference from our kwentuhan nung
Before.
before,
Yeah.
2 to 3 years ago.
Yes.
Guys, hanapin nyo sa Adulting Tambayan
Sobrang
Facebook
tagal na
group.
nun. Oo.
Sobrang tagal na
Yeah.
nun. Nung time na yun, ang topic natin yung yung
Na-link ko pa nga tayo sa website ko eh. Sige, check ko yun mamaya. Alam ko nasa
Nice,
website ko yun eh.
nice. Nasa
Yeah.
ko din pa yun sa Linky ko sa engineering.
Nandun
Yung
pa
mga
sa Linky.
natin, Tambayan,
Yes.
something forgot the name of the series.
Yes.
Anyway, ayun, sobrang salamat. Mix, where can they find you and your
Hmm.
work? Lahat ng work mo, ganyan.
Okay, you can find me everywhere. Actually, everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, lalo sa TikTok, no? I'm very active on TikTok, lalo sa pagko-content. Type nyo lang Mix Ganzon, lalabas naman yun eh. And I'm also working for Real Talk Darbs. If you want, you can follow him. Although, hindi niya na kailangan yun kasi 5 million followers na siya. And
5M,
yeah, ang
yeah.
i-follow nyo ang House Creatives because we are building this community. We are building this company that helps business owners generate 8 figures in sales by content creation. Yun.
Yes. Next, lalagay natin yung links na yan sa Facebook and Instagram posts.
Yes.
Yes. Right. Thank you so much,
Thank
Migs.
you.
Thank you.
Grabe.
Okay.
I guess that's it for today's Kwentuhan. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'm Gia Santos, and for more info about us and the books we recommended, check out the description below. Follow us on social media, and we'd love to hear from you. Off the Record podcast is brought to you by Reco Asia, your gateway to Filipino books and authors. See you in the next episode.